in this video, we're going to use the order of operations to help us evaluate this expression. It kind of looks a little bit scary as I look at it, but we're going to just go slowly, one step at a time to hopefully help us. So we're going to start with the P, which is parentheses. So I notice there is a calculation to do in this parentheses right there. So that's -3 times 3. Now be real careful. You're going to need the negative on the outside. You're going to need the parentheses still. You're going to need the rest of the problem. But I'm just going to calculate the -3 times 3, which would give me -9. Okay. So if I look at this parentheses, there's no operation in there. It's just a number. So there's really nothing for me to do with that. So I'm going to go ahead and mark off the P. And next we're going to do exponents. So when we do exponents, I'm going to do this exponent first. Again, I need the rest of the problem. So I need this minus, I need the +3, minus, and I'll deal with this exponent next. So -9 to the second power. -9 to the second power means -9 times -9. Well, -9 times -9 is 81. And it's got a negative in front. Be real careful. That's tricky. That gets a lot of students right there. Okay, next, let's deal with the -2 to the third. Okay, again, we need the rest of the problem. So I have -81, I have +3, and I've got a minus sign. Now let's deal with -2 to the third power. So -2 to the third power means -2 times -2 times -2. There's 3 of them being multiplied together. So -2 times -2 is +4 times another -2 is -8. Yes, that's a minus a negative. Okay. So now that deals with our exponent. We don't have to do that anymore. I don't have any multiplier divides. So we're down to the adder subtracts. All right, this is bothering me. So let's just go ahead and clean it up by changing this subtraction to a plus. I can only do that if I change the sign of the next number. So now my problem looks like -81 +3 +8. And let's add from left to right. So I've got -81 +3, which is -78 +8. -78 +8 would be -70. Ooh, be real careful here with your PEMDAS. You can tell I took extra steps, right? Writing down everything that I could each and every time. Because all these negatives floating around can get confusing, and I don't want it to trip you up there.